So that with single owner businesses, very often the personal estate planning conveys the property interest and can do some work on who's got control over the business. There's another way to handle the transition of businesses, and that is through the business documents themselves. The formation documents, the articles of incorporation or the articles of formation for an LLC, and or bylaws and operating agreements. Operating agreements, bylaws, formation documents can lay out classes of ownership, whether it's a corporation and its stock or whether it's ownership of an LLC, and what different classes of ownership, what right they have in the different classes to have a say over the operation of the business, to participate in profits, to make any decisions at all, can be outlined within those documents. This can be especially important when you've got multiple owners of a business. And some of my clients may have an ownership interest in a company that's a minority share where they're not making any decisions. They've been investors. They're receiving profits proportional to their investment, and that just continues on and they don't have any decision making. That's more on the simpler side. We can just convey that property to kids. But if there's an active role in the business, that's where you want to make sure that what you're doing with estate planning is consistent with the operating agreements and buy-sell agreements and bylaws.